Okay, for this slide we have two 2 kilogram balls moving away from each other. One's traveling 8 meters per second to the right. So let's go ahead and do that one first. 8 meters per second to the right. It has a mass of 2 kilograms. Its velocity would be positive 8 meters per second. All right, the other one is traveling 4 meters per second, but to the left. So it's traveling half as fast, a smaller arrow. It's still 2 kilograms. The velocity would be negative 4 meters per second. All right, so it wants us to compare the magnitude of the total momentum. Magnitude just meaning that it's the absolute value. So magnitude means we're going to take the absolute value of whatever our answer is. So the answer is not going to be negative. If you get a negative answer, just leave the negative off. All right, so to calculate momentum, we're going to do mass times velocity. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8 kilogram meters per second. And on the other side, we're going to have 8 times 2, and that's going to be positive 16 kilogram meters per second. To find the total momentum, we're going to take these two and we're going to add them together. And of course, 16 minus 8 will give us positive 8 kilogram meters per second. Since it's asking for magnitude, then we are just going to put in the number without the sign. Part 2, we have 2 cars driving to the east. They're both in the same direction this time. So east is to the right. And look, mine are both going at the same speed of 50. So my first car is going to the right with a mass of 1,300 kilograms and a velocity of positive 50 meters per second. My second car is going the exact same. Still the same mass, still the same positive 50 to the right. So just like what we did before, to find momentum, we're going to multiply these two. And we're going to get a big number for this. 1300 times 50 is going to give me 65,000, which means that the other side is going to be 65,000. To find the total momentum, we will add those, and that's going to give me 130,000. Again, the answer is just the number, no sign.